Maybe this is my last video. I think this is. Yeah, I'm on the edge, bro. Whoa, 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 chill. Oh my god.
We love the earth, it is our planet.
No way. You fucking kidding me? You fucking kidding me right now? Look at this place. Dang. And there's a rock climbing school too. Wow. The counter guy said that don't go to the slopes. It may slip and you may die. I waited for this moment 6 years, brother. 6 years. I have doubt that what if someone get robbed on me in here, up here, rob me, and they might kill me. I don't know. But this is awesome, brother. Wow. Finally I made my dream come true. Whew. I know it's much better when we get onto the top. Look at this freaking place. And there is a lake. I didn't know there's a lake in my town. I didn't never go there. Wow. My city also beautiful, kind of. No, it is awesome. Bro, yo, watch out. Okay. Why this is so small? Finally. Yeah. I'm getting scared that in fall. You know, I came after we moved to Hyderabad. I came Bhongir a lot of times, but I didn't get the right opportunity to climb. But my work is done here, and it's them. This is the spot where I meet these strangers. 1 o'clock, 1.2. Okay, yeah, she just sneezed. I don't care because I'm busy with checking her out. And then she asked me to take them a picture. Okay. And these I took a selfie with these guys. Can I get a selfie with you guys? I asked them like that, and they didn't get that with my slang. I'm sorry. Yeah, but they are cool. No way. Ganesh yara? Woo! వీళ్ళు మా స్కూల్ దోస్తుగారు వీళ్ళంతా. We got two ways. Where should we go? Go in this? No, we can't. There's no way. मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम, मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है। फर्स्ट टाइम है? हाँ। यहाँ तो नहीं है, डेंजरस है यहाँ तो। This place is so sick. Okay, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh. Look at this place. Oh, oh. Oh, there's a cute chick out there. Yeah, strong. Oh my god, this is really strong, brother. You see? Oh my god. Okay, nice tree, right? Dang. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Oh my god, a lot of people, a lot of college students get bunker and came here. Great. We don't have anything like this. Hi guys. Let's take some. Right here, in the edge. Not that much age, but see, it is really a lot. It's enough to kill, enough to die. I need to climb that too. And see behind me. I'm the bravest man ever. Holy fuck it up. I don't want to go there. No, no, no. I'm not going there. No. There they are. My new friends. And this is a random guy. Put earphones in his ears. If I say hi to my new friends, I don't know, they're gonna say hi back again. So I'm not gonna say hi to them. I was just busy with my filming. Yeehaw! Only Texas people say that thing awesomely. Graffiti on the old. I don't know what this thing is, but let's climb. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's maybe the oldest swimming pool, I think. There is danger in this pool. What danger in this beautiful pool? Huh? Kolano. What is this? Kolano Lotai Nadi. I can swim though. They said it's deep. No problem, I can swim. I'm telling you, these motherfucking trees will grab you everything. So don't try to swim when you see it. Yeah, I'm on the edge, bro. Oh my god, that was so sick. Did you see that? That thing. Stairs. Now I feel kind of burn in my legs. I mean, not burn. I feel thirsty. Cause I don't feel anything burn in my legs. Cause I'm a gym guy. I don't know why I can't control my breath. Cause I'm talking with you, bro. Oh. Okay, where are the stairs? Wait, what? You fucking kidding me right now? Dude, here, they made stairs. But what about this place? Woo! The way, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's climb this shit. They're waving their hands. I kind of love this filming all this. Okay, there is a tiny little steps. Oh my god, I didn't notice that. Hiking, bro, in my life. Wow, this is great. Maybe the king lives in here. Maybe it's the king's room. I don't know that. But let's go. Wow, 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 wow. No, 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 no. You fucking kidding me? You fucking kidding me right now? Oh my god. So, I think this is a balcony, I think. No, it's not. Oh, you guys know what it is? Oh my god. Why is it so strong? And what's in here? Oh, there's a thing. Ah, it's a bottle. Oh! The students are going their way, coming this way. Look at this place. Whoa, 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 chill up.
I'm the world's strongest man, and I can lift this.
Oh my god. Ow. Maybe this is my last video, I think. We are in the garden. I think I'm gonna pass out. Cause you see, I kinda get dizziness. And I feel my legs are burning. I feel really exhausted, bro. Oh my god. But the experience was so awesome. I got some new friends, and I met my school friends, and I saw my own town in a highest point, and I'm going home now. Whew. This is great. I'm getting down so fast. Maybe because of the gravity. So peace out. This is my first hiking. Oh my god. It's really awesome though. Oh my god, my legs. So, love you, Bhongir. Thanks for giving me this wonderful experience. Thank you.